May menu.
Frequent flyer si Luna.
Oh, sanay. Actually, nag-US na yan.
Clubhouse Tuna. Biyahe Katiglan.
Una na talaga si Ate Chiki. Kasi si Luna excited nang sumakay ng aeroplano. Hi guys!
Hi guys, we're
We're in
here
Singapore.
and we're going to have lunch.
Yeah, dire-diretso no.
Lunch agad.
At one thing about our family, grabe mapuno ang bladder namin.
Sobra. Nakatatlong ihi stops
Kami na rin
na
tao
kami.
dito sa immigration. Oh, we have two mothers. Twinning talaga sila. Guys, ang amazing. Wala nang immigration. Isa-scan mo na lang yung boarding pass mo tsaka passport. Ang tagal na kasi namin hindi pumunta dito. I think yung last ko was pandemic. Dami ng bago. Puro ihi. Kami na lang nandito guys. Puro ihi ang pamilyang Gison.
Ano yung puro short pants?
Ano nga ito katiklan?
7.3 kg.
Guys, 7.3 kg lang yung bag ni Ashton. Meanwhile, dito na tayo sa airport. Pero, as usual, may nagsi-CR na naman na isa pa. What? Nasa Merlion na sila.
Ilang ihi na kasi tayo. No? Luna! Hi guys! We're here in Singapore. We're with family. And with Luna. Hi Luna! Yes, Ninong's vlog. Say hi to Ninong's vlog. Where are we? Are you excited? And who's this? Katsumi!
One time na nagmamadali ako.
Sabi ko, Dave, bili ka muna sa tindahan. We're on our way to lunch!
View from
Sige.
View from 6. Guys, sabak na kami agad. We're going here.
Cute!
Guys, itong place na to, puro mga local brands siya. So, pwede ka mag-consign dito sa taas. Pwede ka pa-event or pop-up. Co-working space din siya. Tapos dito rin tayo magla-lunch. So, ang dami ng bago. At yung katapat niya ay Go Bigot train station. I like your umbrella. Wow, nice umbrella. Yeah, what's inside?
guys sa mga nag-work. Medyo nakaya sa mga nag-work.
That's my mom.
That's your mama. Is
Does
she
he have
working?
slippers?
How about this one? What is she doing?
That's Maya.
Because of the curly hair.
That's Bubble.
Ano gagawin?
How would you put it here?
And then,
Do you get something in return? A brighter future. Yeah. Ito, paper books or recycle subjects.
okay, so pang-recycle nila.
Bibig Violet.
Takeover.
It's nasi lemon. Fish dish. Kue pie. Thank you. Thank you.
Spicy. Hindi masyadong flavor. You can order from the menu. Okay. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Just a plate. Chicken yata.
Oh. Ah.
Parang mochi.
Guys, ang sarap ng food! Super busog. At parang ang sarap mag-siesta. Guys, ito yung mga pag-gifts ni Madam Bibik.
See, ang
ganda ng
packaging.
I like it. Yay!
Steep in heritage.
So, kaninong maleta po pwede makilagay?
Si Ashton,
Ayan, 7 kg. Marami pa siya. Guys, we're here at the hotel. Lapit lang, parang wala pang 5 minutes. May activity. Iba lang natin yung gamit.
Tapos, bilit,
Midnight,
gawa tayo ng
escape
kaya sa room. Kaya to.
Request ako butter knife. Tapos i-add na natin add ka namin sa GC. This had the fam or SG?
birthday voucher!
Uy, birthday! Maraming January celebrants dito. Si Ashton, si Ate Chiki.
This is the brief.
Yeah, we're briefing mother
Briefing mom.
because she's gonna take over.
Yes. Mommy, do this. Close to the lens, mom.
Yung transition.
The transition, mommy. Come on. Touch the lens lang.
No, not me.
Hello, I'm showing the robot.
We're okay, we're okay. We're fine.
Day one.
It's alright, baby.
We're in Singapore! 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 Airport. Guys, I'm so happy because we are finally back here in Singapore with the family. Alam nyo naman, ang laki ng pamilya ko. And na-realize namin, the last time we were in Singapore was, what, 10 years ago? Yeah, 2016. Grabe. Naalala namin yan parati. As in, isa yan sa mga core memories namin yung trip to Singapore namin. Kasi meron kasi kaming picture niyan sa sala namin na nandun kami sa Orchard Road. Yung, alam niyo yung mga statue na colorful. So instead of recreating those moments, why not create new memories, di ba? And ang dami na rin naman nangyari talaga in a span of 10 years. I'm really super grateful and blessed to be in a position na I can bring my family here and with the help yan of Singapore Tourism Board. So thank you so much. At naisip nyo ang Gisado fam. We are so grateful. Di ba, ang dami ko nabiling mga camera itong past year. So binigyan ko sila ng tigi-isang camera at sabi ko, mag-room tour kayo, mag-vlog kayo. Kayo bahala sa content at ibigay nyo sa akin yung camera after this trip. Tapos share natin sa inyo, di ba? So cute lang makita yung iba't ibang angles. Kasi nare-realize ko, very pang pamilya pala talaga tong Singapore trip natin. Kasi hello, meron tayong Generation Alpha, si Luna, Gen Z, si Alex, si Ashton, si Ashley, Millennial, ako, si Ate Chiki, and Boomers, si Mommy, tsaka si Papa. Para maganda siyang i-explore sa trip na to. Kasi usually, di ba, pag meron tayong mga travel, sa mga Millennial, yung mga gusto naming puntahan ni Angelique ay coffee shop, shopping, yun lang. Pero syempre, yung iba gusto mga touristy, gusto ng chill lang, gusto yung pagod na pagod, gusto mag-bar hopping ng iba. Yung isa naman gusto mag-zoo, gusto mag-amusement park. So, pag family trip, feeling ko perfect ang Singapore kasi happy lahat at mako-cover mo lahat. Ang lapit lang nila sa isa't isa. So, it's very convenient. Ang ganda rin ng transport system dito. And na-realize ko, there are so many things to celebrate kasi, syempre, this is our first international trip for the year. And after kasi nito, kailangan ko muna mag-lock in for the wedding. So, hindi muna ako magta-travel for the next 5 months. So, ayun. This will be our first and last international trip for now. Ito doon na natin. And yeah, so many things to celebrate. This is my last trip before I get married. January, ang daming celebrants ng January sa pamilya namin. Ako, si Kuya Norman, si Ashton, si Ate Chiki. So, celebrate natin yan dito. 50th wedding anniversary ni Mommy tsaka ni Papa. Tapos si Alec din ay kakapasa lang ng boards. Yun, let's really create new memories here in Singapore. Also, we're checked in here at Hotel Gen. I forgot. Pero, this is my 4th time staying here. Isa to sa mga gusto namin hotel kasi decent yung price niya and ang ganda nung location. As in, pagbaba mo, may train station, may mall, andyan na yung Orchard Road. So, ano pala ba? Hotel Gen Gateway? Gen Barangan? Hotel Gen Orchard Gateway. Yan ang pangalan ng hotel na to. Dito kami nagstay nung Digital Fashion Week years ago. As in, 2 weeks ata kami nakastay dito sa hotel na to with other creators from different countries. So, memorable tong hotel na to sa akin kasi yun yung peak ng kabataan ko. Like, gabi-gabi pa party kami dito sa Singapore. Tapos, after nun, nagstay kami, I think 2 or 3 times na after. Kasi after yung mga work trips namin, dito ako magsustay kasi meron ako naging friend dito kasi dito siya nag-work sa hotel na to. So, ayan, lagi niya ako binibigyan ng room dito. So now, we are with our family and I'm so excited. So, mag-room tour muna tayo.
Welcome to our home for the next 5 days. Come in, Luni. Let me show you our room. My room and Papalo's room.
Hi guys, so we're gonna show you our room.
So since the door is open, this is our cabinet, the safety deposit box. And you know, as a mother, I love the ironing board. May panahon mag-plancha.
Yes, we have the bathroom.
Yes.
Mag-isa siya dyan. True, and I love the fact na separate yung shower.
Pwede kang mag-phone while
Yeah, and hindi mabaho.
Exactly.
Comes with shampoo
Yes,
and
wala kaming toiletries.
Kasi wala kaming toiletries.
True.
And the sink is
everything's
outside.
open.
First, I love this mini couch na nandyan. So, pwede ka magmuni-muni dyan. Solo ko pala ang room na to. Ang saya. Very nice, very decent. At kung couple man kayo dito, kaya nyo maglatag ng 2 malaking maleta dyan.
And this is our cabinet with extra room, with extra space, with the safety rules that we can.
So we have an office desk, a television, refrigerator over here, and there's a hot water kettle. There's an ice box.
It's very spacious. We have our closet here. Lalagyan ng shoes, toilet, bath, and a sink.
I hope so. The view is so nice, but it's actually nice today.
Oh, you have the view of the Zen garden. See?
Oh.
That's the Zen garden of the hotel. Do you know Nigel and Ashley and Ashton, they have the view of the Marina Bay Sands.
Wow. That's nice.
Yeah. It's at the opposite side.
Okay.
But you have the view of the garden. That's the Zen garden.
And we have a view of the Marina Bay Sands. Ay, kita ba? Yeah, basta it's there.
Okay, so there are 2 curtains. One is a flimsy one, which is for the daytime. The other curtain is for nighttime, so it will make the room darker for us to sleep better. Since our flight was very early this morning, I think we need to rest. See you again.
And that concludes our room tour.
We're excited to explore Singapore. Bye-bye!
Thank you for listening for our story.
So rest muna tayo for a bit, but kasi gusto ko na talaga bumabay at syempre na-miss ko rin ng Singapore. The last time I was here, pandemic pa with Angelique. Ito yung first ever trip namin since pandemic. Kung napanood niyo yung vlog din, medyo nag-all out kami sa shopping sa Singapore. So hopefully, we can go back as a married couple. Yes! Parang it's gonna be a different vibe.
Hi guys, I will be showing what's inside my luggage. First, I made sure to bring cooling powder. Very sakto lang yung bring ko for this trip. Sobrang sakto na, it's just 7 kg. So,
Sobrang sakto naman yan.
thank you to my sister. She packed this.
Yeah, siya kasi yung type A person sa amin.
Yeah, she's very...
Unfortunately, ako lang yung type A
Yeah.
sa kanila.
I have all my clothes for 5 days and have my perfume. Kasi ang konti lang naman yung bag ko eh.
So, we're gonna show you what we packed for our Singapore trip. Actually, 5 days lang kami. Ah, mahaba pala yun. Pero ang dami kong pinak na like extra outfits kasi we're going to the museum, tapos meron kaming zoo day, may bar hopping, what else?
Haji Lane.
Haji Lane.
Yun, cafe hopping, mga ganun.
Yeah, so ako, ang dami kong extra outfits. How about you?
I packed sakto lang. I don't think it's light or heavy packing.
Ang hirap pala mag-vlog. Ayun lang, bye guys. Tignan nyo na lang yung outfits namin.
Guys, may second street na pala dito sa Singapore. Or matagal na to. Bag.
I love the weather!
Oh, actually, ayan o. Actually, ang presko.
Diba kasi usually pag Singapore parang humid, pero
Correct.
it's so crisp. Ay, yun yung ice
Ayan yung ice cream. Mother ice cream.
Diba?
Gusto kasi ni Mami mag-ice cream. Guys, so, dito muna tayo sa Takashimaya. Ito ang favorite mall ni Mother. So, support natin siya. Mga healthy juice. Sugar cane.
Oolong tea!
Peach longan.
Small or large?
Go. Okay, balik tayo sa mga juice. Should we relieve our lung heat, relieve thirst, improve immune system? Ano kaya ang pipili? 26 medicated herbal tea. Detoxify body heatiness. Relieve sore throat and flu. Ito lang pa?
Oh, yeah.
Hello. Guys, sana nagbinondo na lang tayo. Para naman tayo nasa Binondo. Pero happy si Papalo dito pag nakita niyo yung mga ganyan.
Ayan o, enzymes, black
Oh.
Parang,
Mga herbal, no?
ang bilis mo mabudo
Actually.
sa ganyan.
Basta may mga ganyan na herbal.
Enzymes.
Shit. Sold. Tsaka may ganyan display, oh.
Legit.
Guys, ang saya because it's so windy. Ayaw nga. Guys, meron kaming picture dyan before. Like, yun talaga yung naka-frame sa bahay namin. So, puntahan natin mamaya. Okay, so we're gonna get our, ano na ba tawag? $2 ice cream.
I mean, hindi siya as bad as I thought.
Smell.
Hindi siya mabaho eh. Try. Parang ano lang, sweet na... It's good. Never pa ako nakatry ng real durian, so hindi ko...
Never pa daw nakatry si Asha ng real durian. So, ano muna? Durian ice cream.
Blueberry.
Bakit? Yung microphone.
I thought you were going to scare me.
Takot siya sa mic.
Wafer.
Guys, natakot siya sa mic.
Wafer with blueberry.
Okay.
Wanna try?
Kala ko, tinatakot mo ako.
Sweet corn.
How about you, Tito Lim?
Cookies and cream.
And wafer?
What's that?
Peppermint. Mint choco. So good. Parang nag-toothbrush. Hindi kasi ako nag-toothbrush.
Chocolate.
What's the taste?
Good.
The flavor is toothpaste.
Guys, I got cookies and cream and ang saya kasi libre ni Nige. $2 ice cream. Yeah. Kami lang po kapansin dito, guys.
Wala ako pupunta eh. Kala ko may nakapila.
Oh, tandaan ng blocking. Oh, may new addition. Oh, we're gonna recreate our photo. Kahit di kami complete. Aww. Nice walk. Can I see?
Pansin ko yun yung
Wow.
styles na Pilipino.
It's Edna mode. Can I see? No. No. Oh, sorry. Lunette's looking at you. Oh. Kasi ito yung nahanap ko eh. Cute ni Papal.
Usually I will take nap.
We have the same one. Show yours too. Wow. Wow. Ba't parang mas malaki sa akin? Why is yours smaller?
This one actually I bought it in Taiwan.
Ah, Taiwan.
Yes.
And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you.
Wow. Man in shining armor.
Ganda.
What are you doing to my hair? Hey.
Ay, wow. So nice.
Hey. Saya mag-food court dito sa Singapore. Dito na lang tayo kakain.
Ay, can we also get this?
Guys, thank you, Nige. It's time for dinner. Ano na lang kami, food court. Alam niyo naman ang sayo ng food court dito, di ba? But anyway, I got Hainanese chicken, merong steamed tsaka roasted, vegetables.
Signature dry noodles.
Ni-research niya pa yan. Teochew, fishball noodles.
Dumpling noodle soup.
Hi, kain tayo. Ay, siya lang yung stall dito na may bib gourmand. Yeah.
Ito lang daw yung store dito na may Bib Gourmand. And I got Horlicks. Nag-order ako ng Milo, kaya lang kinuha na ni Luna.
Hello.
Guys, ang sarap ng dinner namin. And we're still here. Ion Orchard. Yung nanay ko ay naiihi. So, tama nga ang theory natin na maiihiin ang OG Gisado fan. Guys, day 1 pa lang. Dami na namin gusto i-try. Gusto na namin i-try lahat ng mga nakikita namin. So, baba mo ng hotel namin, merong Mr. Coconut dito. Order tayo. Try natin. For peace of mind. Basta.
Wait, tikman natin. Tapos sabay-sabay bumili tayo ng drink. Ah, okay. After.
So, wala mo na.
Wala sabay-sabay.
Wala rin pakita yung reaction.
Wala mo.
Five at five. I will guess.
Zero.
4. Ay,
Kasi hello, 0%
Ano ka recommend?
No, wait, ang sarap. Sure ako. Ano sa'yo? Hey, ikaw Ash. Mas sabi after. Akin na pupunta yan. The joke.
Okay, watch. Oh!
I like it. Diba? Gusto mo bigyan ng 5 eh. Hindi ko lang.
Guys, it's so cold. Oh, like negative. Yeah. Wow. Luna, wanna swim? Luna, it's so nice here. Guys, okay tayo Marina Bay Sands. Guys, we are back in the hotel. It's been a long day, but sobrang nag-enjoy kaming lahat. Ang saya nakasama ko yung pamilya ko dito. Anyway, tomorrow maaga pa ang call time natin. Tomorrow magsa-start ang mga ganap natin dito. So, I'm excited. Pero, bawal pa ako matulog kasi meron pa ako mga deadline. 2 deadline. So, alam mo naman, as a freelancer, hindi natatapos ang trabaho. Anyway, good night guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, Singapore! Welcome to The Matrix! Guys, sorry, don't judge me. Nagpapatuyo pa ako ng buhok. But today is officially our first full day here in Singapore. The Singapore Tourism Board has prepared a special itinerary for us. Sobrang gusto ko yung itinerary kasi it's different with other KOLs. Kasi ito, medyo pang family pero parang alam mo yung happy lahat. So yun yung masaya dito sa itinerary na to kasi sa ibang days, mas priority ang mga seniors. May ibang days na priority si Luna. Ako, happy naman ako kahit saan. Yes. Anyway, ito ang 3 nating cameras. So ito ay assigned sa mga kids, si Nigel, si Ashley, at saka si Ashton. This one is for Ate Chiki Luna. Tapos, ginagamit din to ni Mommy tsaka ni Papa. Tapos ito yung sa akin. Parang wala akong boses ha. Also, magagamit ko na yung bago kong bag from Loewe. This is a gift from Loewe. So, I'm so happy. Kasi ito talaga yung nahanap ko yung, alam niyo, yung leather na malambot. So, pag binuhat mo siya, slouchy na siya. If you know, you know. Pag meron akong bagong bag, nilalaspag ko talaga at sinusuntok-suntok ko para lang magbuka siyang ganito. So, at least ito, kaya na siya. Anyway, let's start the day and let's go! Why does she keep doing that? Kasi sinasabi niya, ang laki ng ilong ko. Wapo? Okay. Okay. Family! Good morning! Good morning, Uncle Tunhee! Hello! Hey, Uncle Sean! Morning! Morning, Sean! Sean Keys!
Once again, my name is Tun Hee. Very easy to remember. Katun the Tun, Hee the Hee. Projected this. You will definitely see the guys. Limit lang.
Guys, ang saya nitong breakfast spot namin kasi puro locals and syempre we're trying the authentic kaya toast and anay palang kinds of coffee dito sa Singapore. Like itong in-order namin is kopi kosong, meaning pure coffee, walang sugar, walang anything. Ano yung may condensed? Coffee. Tapos meron din coffee o ano pa yung ibang coffee? Coffee o coffee, may coffee. Basta ilalagay ko na yung picture dito. Andiyan yung guide nyo pag nag-order kayo para alam nyo.
Early. Stuff that they gave you yesterday. The kaya toast. Bread, below bread. For siya. Think of it portion. Why don't you go to Don Quixote?
Yeah, but it doesn't open like 24 hours.
We're in Singapore!
Yay, Singapore!
Okay, 1880 want.
Ang cute ni Papa.
We went through a 4 years.
Happy siya sa
of
mga tour.
renovation. So once again, this is Beach Road. Okay, Beach Road. Then Singapore is 110.
Wala.
Oh,
Yeah.
we're at Haji Lane.
But it's also Kampong Glam. And kami personally, it's our 4th time in Singapore. And this is usually where we stay. So, ito lang alam namin, honestly.
Yeah.
And this just feels like home.
This just feels like home. Pero for now, wala masyadong nakabukas na shops because it's so early.
Although we did try yung kilala nila na acai bowl, which we'll see later how it tastes like. And if it's worth the hype.
Ito, peanut butter banana. Sorry. I got the nutty party.
And then I got the popsicle with pistachio.
I got the acai popsicle with Nutella.
Let's try.
That's with Nutella. Okay, taste test. So good. I reminds with cookie butter.
For me, parang may pagka-berry flavor. That's our first time trying acai.
Let's show.
Clorox. Guys, we're here at Kampong Glam. We're just exploring this place. And ang saya kasi may tour guide kami. So parang mas na-appreciate ko tong place na to. Like, there's so much history behind it. Even if Singapore is relatively a young country, like 200 years pa lang. Nakita namin yung mga reclaimed land. Tapos kung saan yung mga ginagawa yung mga trading. Saan nagmi-meet yung mga Arabs, yung mga taga-Bugis ba yun? Amazing. I'm learning so much. And of course, spending time here with my family. And sobrang saya nung tatay ko especially kasi parang sobrang interested niya sa history. Like yan talaga ang amats niya. Nung kabataan ko, like ko siya naabutan nanonood lang ng mga documentary. So happy siya learning about Singapore.
Hey guys, so we're at Kampong Glam.
Which is where we usually stay.
Yes, and dito kami usually sa Cube
Kampong Glam.
Boutique Hotel, which is a hostel. So shared. Hi, the chicks. Hello.
A lot of Arabian restaurants.
Yes.
Mga souvenir shops.
True. Puro Turkish restaurant. So cute.
Water. So when you come back from getting back with holy water, come and a collar at the bottom. Can you see?
Guys, yung block na yun sa baba ng gold ay gawa sa bottom ng bottles ng soya. So, halos lahat ay nag-contribute.
There are always 4
Yung mga locals para dyan. Cool, no?
Pa ito. This is
Hi guys! So we are at Kampong Glam Cafe. This is where we usually eat. Kami ng siblings. We've been here before and the food is very, very, very nice. We love drinking the tetarik. Paano mo i-describe yung tetarik?
Ano siya, tarik? Tarik means full. But it tastes like tea basically.
Yeah.
With condensed milk. Taste test
And here is the tetarik.
for the end of time.
So good. We always get iced tetaric here.
I would describe it as milk tea, not very toned down.
It's not too sweet.
It's not too sweet. It's very, very perfect. Ano yung parang noodles na ino-order na?
Mi goreng or mi soto, mi siang.
Yummy!
Tetarik.
Tetarik!
From Kampong Glam.
Dito na lang daw tayo. We're at the Kampong Glam Cafe having tetarik. So good. Try it.
Where are we? Conception.
He's a vlogger or something.
Roti Plaza.
Ito yung gusto pa check ni Angelic sa akin. Tumplap Apparels. Singaporean brand. Iced limaw ang tawag dito. Isa kang limaw. Go lang, video lang. Guys, ang sarap nung lunch namin.
Super sarap.
Super. At pinipilahan talaga siya dito.
Para siyang turo-turo style, cafeteria style.
Ayan na. Krafu. Yeah.
Well,
What are we gonna do?
We're going to bags.
No?
Key
Holder.
Oh, there.
A card case. And cable tie container.
Cable card.
Hi guys, we're here at Krafune. So we're gonna make our own wallet, card sleeve, coin pouch, and cable tie. So may mili kami ng mga leather dito. Ang saya, it's a nice activity. Dito yan sa may Haji Lane. As a pamilya, hindi kasi kami ganun kahilig mag-activity yung mga ganito. Pero parang maganda siya gawin, no? Sorry, ang oily ko na. Lalagay ko na ng lahat ng details dito. Or sa description box kung nasan tong workshop na to. Ano yung keychain ito? Oh, cute nila mami and papa.
Like wood tree trunk all this to stand up ladder. This ladder, after use for some time, you all know what will happen or not.
Question mo. Wait.
So what happened? Patina. Okay, Singaporean, if Singaporean, they will say, hey, the ladder season ready. What is season? The more you use, the nicer the color will be. Okay, so this ladder is very good. Can anyhow throw, anyhow use. Okay, don't need, because you usually you buy those branded good, they are using chrome 10 leather. Chrome 10 leather, that means they are using chemicals to tan the leather.
Right. Is this a G or a 6?
G.
G, yeah. Okay, so G.
Zoe like this. Tirata na si Andrew.
Please don't blame me.
Can you show my tongue? Like it. Perfection.
Wala pala itong effect.
But there are exceptions.
Hindi ko sa kanya ka na nagpapagawa. Lahat ng
You're done, mommy.
This one.
This one, yes.
Leather.
Leather
Goods.
goods. Papa no.
Vloggers yun.
You know the monster.
Monster. Diba 5 times?
Mama, what are you making today?
Hi.
Leather goods?
Leather goods. Let's show our leather goods. This is our work.
Kapala sa pro. Ching. Ching, mama.
Can you carry this?
Ito yung pang-cake. Guys, ito na yung gawa namin. Show yours. So, ito yung wallet. Coin purse ba ito wallet? Kasi medyo may butas dito. So, medyo nakaganon yung barya. Oh, thank you, Auntie. I love it. And then, ito yung para sa mga wires. And, yay! Ito, dito malalagay yung mga susi mo. Diba? So, lahat kami ay gumawa. So, this is our souvenir from our trip. Yay! Got our coffee and then ngayon mag-ice cream naman tayo. So now we're here at Birds of Paradise for some ice cream. Let's go!
Can we try the sea salt section?
She gave a thumbs up. Yes. She said,
Thank you!
enjoy. Thank you. Can I hold this for you?
Oh, no, what's that? Wow! Look, it's floating. Hi guys! We're back in the hotel. Ang saya ng mga ginawa namin today. Now, meron na kaming, I think, 1 hour of free time, which is perfect kasi may deadline ako ngayon. So far, sobrang na-happy ako kasi si Papa ay sobrang mahilig talaga yan sa history. So, aliw na aliw siya dun sa tour guide, sa mga nalalaman niyang information. Also dun sa activity namin na gumawa kami ng mga leather goods. Sobrang na-enjoy din ng family. So, ang dami talagang pwedeng gawin dito. Now, I'm just getting ready kasi meron tayong dinner. May chimes. And then, they also included sa itinerary na mag-try kami ng mga speakeasy bars. Pero this time, kasama natin sila Alec, Ashley, and Ashton. Nung una, hindi talaga sila kasama kasi ang tawag ko sa kanila ay kids. So, akala nila mga bata pa yun. Pero hindi na sila bata. At gustong-gusto nilang pumarty. Samahan natin sila. Ang feeling, gusto ko talaga. Hindi naman siya party-party talaga. Speakeasy lang naman siya. So, yeah.
No.
Yes, no. Yes, no.
No. Hey.
We're at Donkey. Bilis pa lang. Donkey. Guys, we're now here at Chimes. Nakalimutan ko kung what does it stand for, pero lagyan natin dyan. Something Jesus.
Yeah. Jesus
Infant of Jesus. We were supposed to explore this place kaya lang umuulan, pero okay lang kasi masarap ang pa-dinner nila dito tonight.
Hi guys, we're at Chimes. This was the site of the wedding scene in Crazy Rich Asians.
I can imagine, this place to be expected this place by digging to make
Princess JC in Pan. Spill mo yan.
Ayoko.
Ayaw na i-spill. Guys, we're here at New Ubin Seafood. Saya kasi ballin tayo tonight. They have crabs, steaks. So we're just waiting for the food. Pero we're already having our appetizers. Pero this is such a nice experience. Like kami talaga pag nag-travel kami, dapat lagi may isang experience talaga. Like so, ito yung all-out night na. Kasi naalala namin dati nung nag-Singapore kami, hindi kami nag-chili crabs talaga. Pero ngayon, let's treat ourselves and have some chili crabs and steak. Oh, I love this. What's this?
You try the egg. So there.
This is Irvin's on steroids.
Super sarap. Oh my God.
It's very different. Like St. Maicia's numbers. So different.
Sabi ko pala.
This is just for Luna.
Manchu bread. Mr. Angelic Manchu. Ito. Ito nagbalat niya? Deserve mo yan.
Complete opposite. For straight hair. Yeah.
Bye guys. Bye parents. Bye. We're going out. We're gonna party without the parents. Sino yun? What does it mean again?
It's like,
No.
if you don't finish your drinks, you have no balls.
Ikan lang. We are sisters.
And then now this Bradley Melville. You look so creepy.
Oh, eh?
Ay, ito pala yung na-taste ko. Nakailang kagat na.
Tapos yung mag-influencer.
Sa'yo naman. It's yours lang. Ay, bagay sila.
Actually.
Baka mabutihan din.
Yeah, it's very similar. And he recorded it.
Para siyang control niya.
Because we are changing it, so we already left all the ones for operation.
Okay.
So it's like, it's not new, but...
Really? Wow! Hey! Binigay nila guys.
How about the lamp?
You like the lamp, Wow, guys, they gave us the glasses.
But because we packed our goodie bags already, so...
Ayan. Wow, thank you!
Thank you so much.
May napupuntahan pala ang ano, pagiging makapal. Thank you, Zoe, for your witty.
Minus in English. See? One time.
Every time you're at home drinking water, you will remember...
Oh, this one's new. Thank you so much.
What does it say?
All time goals at your own pace.
Siya ba yan? Guys, ang saya ng bar hopping namin. And now, we're spending the night inside the mall. Guys, bukas pa yung mall para lang ma-accommodate yung Don Quixote. Kasi di ba yung Don Quixote 24 hours? Mall. Nag-hire pa sila ng isang guard para magbantay. Oh. Pati CR. Usually sarado na yung mga CR na yun eh. But we can see it. Sana may brulee. Oh my God. Guys, binigyan nila kami ng mga baso. Yung baso na sinuserve doon. Pati yung menu. Pati yung menu. Kaya ko lang na-realize na binigay nila yung menu. Ba't ngayon na nag-sink in? So lumabas talaga yung pagiging Pinoy namin. At inabuso namin. Can we have the menu? Can we have the glass? At ginif naman talaga nila. Thank you so much. Ano ang pangalan ng bar? Nutmeg and Slow. Nutmeg and Slow. Okay, so now, dong, donkey. Walang tao. Walang tao, guys. Honesty store. Pakiiwan na lang yung bayad dito. This feels like a fever dream.
Let's go down.
Okay, let's go down. Gosh, ang scary nung nag-e-echo lang yung song. Dong.
Ayan, daming tao.
Yung mga tao, guys. Yung mga tao. Anong trip nila? Kami rin. Oh, dito pala yung mga snacks, so.
Ano yung brulee? Ay.
Guys, so. Guys, salmon, no? Tama ba yung area na pinuntahan natin? Guys, grabe yung donkey dito, may gulay. Baka nasa high top tayo, ah.
Kompleto may gulay. Palengke vibes.
Ito. Kakaiba yung donkey dito, guys. Ayun, desserts. Brulee lang na may hanap namin. Napunta kami sa poultry. Wow! Looks good. Wow! Oh. Okay, hindi pa na namin nahanap yung brulee. Snow brulee. Guys, we found a skate park. Dito kami kakain ng dessert namin.
Sa Marina.
Gardens by the Bay.
Gardens by the Bay.
Tapos museum.
Okay, hindi pa kami na-solve sa ice cream. Going to McDonald's. Yeah. Dong.
Prosperity.
Good morning, guys! It's another day here in Singapore. We've been having so much fun here and I'm so happy at masipag ako mag-vlog sa trip na to. Ang saya din kagabi kasi nag-bar hopping kami. Kasama si Alec, Ashley, Ashton, and kasama rin namin si Carla and Zoe of Singapore Tourism. And sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Tatawanan lang kami the whole night. Yeah, I think 4 hours lang yung tulog ko. But I'm dressed so comfortably today kasi pupunta tayo sa dry ng skin ko. Nag-lotion na ako. We're going to Gardens by the Bay, Cloud Forest, and I think Art and Science Museum, yung team lab na exhibit nila doon. And then of course, we're gonna explore Marina Bay. Quite the usual itinerary, pero para kasi hindi kompleto yung trip, especially with my family pag hindi kami pumupunta doon. Yeah, right now it's 8:40. Gusto ko sanang bumaba ng maaga at ma-experience naman yung breakfast. Yung tatay ko, sobrang nag-enjoy siya sa breakfast. So, today, nag-breakfast tayo with everyone. Anyway, so far, I'm loving this hair wax. Meron ako dyan 3 variants and iba-iba yung vibe niya. Iba-iba yung hold, iba-iba yung shine. So far, I'm happy with it. Parang gusto ko medyo baksak siya ngayon. Okay, since meron akong malaking pimple dito sa gitna, mag-shades na lang tayo. And then, I'm gonna use this Gucci bag and our Miu Miu X New Balance sneakers. Okay, let's go!
It's my name.
Huh?
One of my most favorite bungee trick. Okay, once again, interlock. Luna, is it interlock? See, interlock means they are okay. Interlock, huh? Yeah. See.
Oh.
Because this is even more convincing. Yeah. More than that. See, huh? Okay. Is it lock? Is it lock? You sure? Sure, huh? Sure, huh?
It's on top.
Oh.
Most favorite.
Wow.
Caps. Amazing stories.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're going to try Vegemite, which is an Australian spread.
Guys, we're here at Gardens by the Bay. Eh, ang ganda ng weather. Luna. Si Luna nanood kagabi ng Jurassic Park, so... Okay, come on. So happy siya dito. Ako atay masaya. Pag ginawan treat dito. Guys, we're inside Flower Dome. So yung mga panels na nakikita nyo sa likod ay 3,332. At di pa talaga nila ginawang 3,333. But no panel is the same. So iba-iba yan ng sizes para makapasok talaga ang sunlight. So pagpunta kayo dito, medyo malamig talaga siya kasi kontrolado nila yung climate dito at humidity. Kasi ito yung mga plants at mga flowers na hindi magsusurvive sa Singapore. So, ayan. So, we're just going around. Siyempre, enjoy ang magulang ko. Ayan, no, si mother picture na ng picture. Yung ibang plants daw, nagpapanggap lang na patay. So, hindi pa pala patay mga plants ko sa kasagisado. Bagong deliver, guys. Mga pinaplant pa lang nila iba. At hinuhukay. Galing QC Circle pa yan. Wow, actually, ang ganda.
Favorite plant. I've never
Flower.
seen anything like it. Or flower.
So nice. Ito yung mga activities ng mga tita. Saya Kaya may Jurassic. Si Luna natatakot. At?
Marga na yun.
Kita niyo yung Marina Bay.
More developments there.
Sleep again.
Okay, mag-enjoy kayo.
Emotional family moments. Wow! Oh, butterflies! Guys, dito tayo kakain. Gordon Ramsay Bread Street sa Marina Bay Sands. Bibigyan nila kami ng tour ng kitchen nila. Baba tayo. Dito pala ang kitchen sa baba. Halos karamihan sa kanila ay mga Pinoy. So, amazing. Mother.
The chef is a Filipina who has been here since 2015. So almost 10 years na, David.
Wow.
Wow, she's so successful.
Hey, chef.
Hello.
At kabatch ko pa yan sa Binild. Hey. Really? You're not shouting? Hindi naniwala. Ang galing guys, oh, naririnig namin.
Is there a mic here also?
What?
Oh,
What's the
it's a
scientific
secret.
explanation?
Yeah. Oh, he's not shouting daw, pero rinig namin siya dun, oh.
How did that happen?
Remember me. Oh, I hate to say goodbye. Remember me. Yung tingin niya. Yung tingin niya. How about 2 plus 2? 4? Correct. You're amazing, my love. Lenny! Whoa.
Photography is permitted, but please turn off the flash.
Wow. Whoa. Scary. Oy. Oh, she's enjoying her childhood.
She was a fairy.
Happy New Year!
She was a fairy.
Minutes na sabi.
Video muna?
Uy! Baby!
Where? Ayan na.
Nasabi tayo kay Luna.
Ha? Luna, look.
Stand out siya.
Ay, fair. Ang ganda niya.
Pare, nagbababad. Ayaw umalis. Alis na dyan.
Angie is so fabulous.
Gusto niya makita siya ng lahat. Ayun na, last na. Uy, umikot. Si Angie, nagbababad.
Nababad na ako dito.
Uy, si Angie, bumalik na naman. Ang arte niya. Ayaw niya, respetuhin niyo siya.
She is Angie. Ang interactive na kayo.
Oh my gosh. Uy, ingat tayo si Mama la.
Ito yung double chin. Okay na.
Hi guys! We are back in the hotel. Nag-chill na kami for a bit and now, it's time to head out. Nag-change na rin ako ng outfit. Naalala ko lang na nasa akin pa pala to, tong vest na nabili ko sa Hong Kong, sa isang Changi sa Hong Kong. And then yung pants natin is from Victor. Syempre, local brand yan. I mean, sa Pinas yan. Ito lang yung outfit natin for tonight. But we're going to New Baru. It's a creative complex. It used to be an old high school building, pero ginawa na siyang, ayan, creative space. I think it houses over 40 Singaporean brands. So I'm really excited for that kasi this is something new. Like, alam niyo naman, pag bumabalik tayo sa Singapore, laging may bago, laging may improvement, may nire-renovate. They're always constantly growing and evolving, which is inspiring, di ba? Lagi silang nauuna. So ko yan i-check out kasi naghahanap din ako dito ng mga local brands to check out. And hopefully, meron tayong mabili at gusto ko na rin siya isuot kasi hindi naman karamihan ang dinala kong damit sa trip na to. Alam niyo naman, goal ko talaga is mag-shopping. So, yung kanina, yung mga museum, it's mostly para sa mga pamangkin ko, kay Luna. But itong New Baru, feeling ko, akin to eh. Puro coffee shop, independent brands, meron ding parang mga speakeasy bar ata. So, I'm really excited to check it out. Hopefully, I can take nice content kasi maulan eh. Pero okay lang. So, tara!
I'm Amelia. Nice to meet you. You can call me Erin for short.
This is
maybe
my family.
introduce me to everyone.
We are here at Beyond the Vines. This is a local store in Singapore. It's proudly Singaporean and her family is a big fan of this brand. See? I'm actually using it right now. I love it so much. I also have a dumpling bag at home which I've used and abused. So David is getting a new one, this blush one. And I got Luna a new lunchbox. Ito, ang cute sobra. It's pastel colored. Diba? Can use it as your new lunchbox. Ganda. And ang cute ng mga charms nila. So nice. So this branch is at this new lifestyle store called New Baru. Baru means new in Malay. It's like new. Nice place.
No worries. Thank you for coming, guys.
Thank you.
See you guys
Thank
later.
you. masaya. Enjoy kami dito.
Actually, sabi nga namin,
Bombastic side eye.
Sana makapakain si Uya ng mga elepante.
That's there. Faster. Wiggle your head. My turn. My turn.
Yeah, amazing. Guys, ang saya dito. Ginabi na kami. Nag-ping-pong kami, nag-coffee kami, nag-shop kami sa Beyond the Vines. Now we're gonna have dinner here. Look at this fancy place. This is where we're gonna have dinner. 1 prawn and coke. Wow. Look at the fish. Look at the fish.
Ay, sorry po.
Okay lang. Tag na lang kita.
Parang masusaw siya na ano. Like, come back. 20 and 23. Question. Uy, maganda yung question ko.
Sabihin mo pa kaya.
hello, my love. Hello, my love. Ang cute mo naman, baby girl. Ay, cute. Ay, Whiskey. Ang bait niya.
POV nagma-microwave ka.
Let me go. Pabalik siya.
Helicopter! Helicopter!
Uy, pabalik talaga.
Just let me go. Just let me go.
Guys, we're back in Orchard. Ashton, lamig ah. Hindi na kami sumama sa mga adults. Feeling, kasi gusto namin maglakad-lakad. Tingnan naman yung buhok ko. Ah, the wind!
Uy, ano?